Now, this is on the trail. We have several stops on the trail. If you'll notice, there is a mist in this area over here, and it follows up here and goes to this area over here. Now, in this area is where we experience a spirit named Paul. And what's interesting about Paul is when we first experienced his presence, he seemed to be very angry and upset. And he wasn't very friendly. Now, again, we were with someone that was wearing a red coat. So this could have contributed to the antagonism that he was feeling.
So the trouble with investigating at doing some paranormal investigating at a historic site is that it's not always possible for you to specify what era of history you're looking for. And that's how we came upon Johann, who we found out previously, he's a German-speaking horse farmer during the Civil War. He rented the land, which the Memorial Association owns, which is that horseshoe area and the baseball fields and the scout cabin. And we also know that none of his children survived to adulthood. So what did we find out this year? Did we find out anything interesting? So I'm notorious for playing some audio, but I'm also going to do a little bit of visual, and I'm going to show you what the spirits are actually saying in my audio clips. So here's the first one. I don't know if Johan's going to be here the next season. Johann, are you here? So that's me in orange saying, you know, I don't know if Johann's here, and then get a response on the echo box. I don't know if Johan's going to be here the next season. Johann, are you here? So I found out that yes, Johann was there with us. He's usually either at station, either 2 or 3. We were at station 2. I got the yes at station 2 and didn't hear anything from him again until we went to station 3. So one of the other things that dowsing rods can do is, since they can't give you like answers that are words or something like that, you can get them to see if you can get an intelligent response. And one of those that I often like to do is ask, can you point to something? And so at one point I said, can you point to the light on the log? This is the log station 3. Can you point to the light on the log? I had borrowed an EMF detector instead of the one that's in my hand, which was my cell phone. I said, can you point to the light on the log? And both the rods went and pointed towards the log, and that's while we were talking with Johann. The app that I was using, the one that gives those words, that ghost hunting tools, said had alcohol on it, and the people I was with on the public tour was wondering, is Johann drunk? And I got to know that on my dowsing rods that no, Johann was not drunk. And so that kind of inspired me to ask the next question is, are you offering us something to drink because we're your friends now? And we got a yes. So this is now like the 4th or 5th time that we've seen Johann, and now he's starting to get comfortable with us and getting more interested in knowing what's going on and how to interact with us. And so he did the only thing he knew how to do, which was to offer alcohol.
All you really need, though, your best piece of equipment is going to be yourself, because you know what you're seeing, you know what you're hearing, you know what you're experiencing out there on the battlefield.